Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete your Phantom Wallet account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. In order to do this, you first need to launch your Phantom Wallet mobile application. Now once you are on the home page, you need to first select that particular account which you want to delete. In order to select it, you just have to tap on this drop arrow button in the top, and once you do this, in this section, it will show you all of the wallets that you have on your Phantom Wallet. So you just have to select that particular wallet which you want to delete permanently. Afterwards, you need to tap on this gear icon in the top right-hand corner. Now over here, among these given options, you need to tap on the security and privacy option, and then you will be landed on this page. Now over here, you just have to tap on the Reset App button in the bottom. But before that, you need to make sure that you have successfully copied your Phantom Wallet key in case you want to log in into your account again. So after tapping on the Reset button, it will show you this prompt that says, "This will remove all your existing accounts and data." So you need to make sure that your secret phrase and private keys are backed up. So over here, you need to press the Continue button in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. And once you do this, you will be logged yourself out from your Phantom Wallet application. Then, you just have to remove the Phantom Wallet app from your device, and this will delete your Phantom Wallet account permanently. So that's basically how you can delete your Phantom Wallet account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.